So this is our starter. It's predominantly organic, a really complex biostimulant for use with seedlings, plants in vegetative stage and plants in an early bloom phase. Together with our A and B, you'll find that plants started off on starter, the root development's better. The plants seem to be quicker to set in any media, that's cocoa, soil and hydro, because you use our range across the lot. The top end vegetative stage is also really good, so the top of the plant is really vigorous. Transplant shops really minimise using starter. We use a really complex mix, so we've got cytokinins in there and auxins, which you get from our unique extract of Irish kelp. We use that extract because we don't use any PGRs. So by using a kelp extract, much like the farmers do when they plough seaweed into the fields around the coast to get better crops, you'll find your plants are quicker to set, they're quicker out the blocks, and your vegetative stage is maybe shortened a little bit. We use 2 types of nitrogen. This makes sure the plant has a really good start at the beginning of its life, and that's why we formulated Starter.